Hi there and welcome back. I'm come on today to show you the new kit that I've been working on with Nanine from Collage Type, and it is called Memories of the Meadow. There's 4 kits to it. Nanine has got what you would call the journal pages and an ephemera kit, and I've got what we would call a file folder kit, which is portrait pictures, and an ephemera kit. So I'm going to start off by showing you Nanine's part, and there is 10 journal pages, 5 full pages and 2 background pages, so there's 17 pages altogether, and half of the florals are on the right and half are on the left, and then they're matched up with these different lines and grids and things like that. Beautiful colours. We've done it in quite a peachy sepia again, very similar colours to the last kit, that Alice down the rabbit hole kit that we collaborated on. Okay, so they are the 10 journal pages, and then we should have 5 full pages. So we've got a couple of William Morris ones. Which are those 2. And we've a couple of collage ones. And that one. Some William Morris in it, and then just a full page, and then 2 back in pages. So we've got one with lines on and a very faint pattern one. So that's the pages, and these come with the main kit, the pockets and tags. So we've got 4 pockets here, and got 2 slanted pockets here and 2 corner pockets there, and then a tall side pocket there, and then there's 3 tags there and 3 tags there. So these can either be, you know, kept as 3 and folded up as a trio. You could do it as 2 and have them as like a booklet, or do them single, and we've kept a couple plain so that you can decorate them up yourself. Just wanted to show you that this is what they look like, 2 to a page, and this is what the pockets look like, 2 to a page. So this is very handy if you know, doing small envelope type things. So that's the journal kit. So this is the main kit in Nanine's shop, and then this is the ephemera part, which will be in Collage Type shop. So this is a book cover. You don't have to use it as a book cover. You could shrink it down and have it as a big journal card. But there's also a spine here, so this would be your front if you wanted it as the front, and then this would be your back, and then there's a 1-inch spine. So if you wanted it 1/2 inch, you could cut it down, or if you wanted a big one, just, you know, make one out of the paper, well, out of card. So, and then we've got 2 banners here, and then we've got some some black words for a change. Quite a few there. 22. So that's that one. And this extra backing sheet is as a, you know, you could back the back of this cover with this if wanted. Then we've got these two sheets, which these can either be used as small journal cards, or you could do this 2 to a page and get them, you know, half size, so you could use them for all different kinds of embellishments, or you can, you know, rip them down, do lots of things with those. And then we've got some book plates here: diary, my dreams, my thoughts, field notes, this and that, memories. And with this piece here, which again you can use as the spine for that book, or you can use this as kind of a washi type strip. So that's those. Then we've got a page of postcards, nice plain ones, so you can decorate them up yourself, and you can either you know, leave them together and do them as little booklets, or cut them out separately. Then we've got a page of ephemera, got tickets, a couple of labels, little receipt there, this lovely piece and this one, and then I've got a ruler. So that's that one. Again, you could do this 2 to a page and have some smaller embellishments. We've got a page of frames, got a nice big envelope, and then we've got this coin envelope. So that's 10 sheets, and they're both in Nanine's shop, and we'll put the links in the description. And then this is my part of the kit. So I've got 11 portrait pictures. So obviously these can be used for file folders and folios, or to, you know, rip up to make collage sheets. Could obviously do them a couple to a page and make them into journal cards, all sorts of things. And then we've got, I think, two William Morris in the greens, 2 collage sheets. Use them either way. And oh, got another sheet there. And 2 backing sheets. So we've got the graph, and we've got this grid one. It's got this lovely pale sage pattern at the back. Just love this around the edges. Okay, all the sheets have been printed on 100 GSM manila paper, nothing special, just your average copy paper, and all the elements I've done them as 200 GSM. So these come in with the kit. So we've got like a library pocket, but this has got a slanted front, and then we've got some 1-inch circles, and then some stamps. Got another pocket, the same. Now, you don't have to use these with the backs on. Obviously, you could use this as a journal card, or you can use it with that. I'm going to do some videos tomorrow, you know, with some ideas of things to make. Then we've got these lovely labels there. They're very nice. And then a couple of washi strips there. And we've got 4 journal cards. Again, we've left some plain so you can decorate them. And another set of 4. You can obviously keep these that way and fold them, you know, booklet ways, or you can do cut them out that way. Again, I'll show you that in the video. So that is the journal kit, which will be in my shop, and then the add-on is this one. So these are for the fronts of the mini CD envelopes, or you know, you can just cut these out and make them into pockets. Again, I'll do a video, and these can be used as the cards to go in the CD envelope. Got some little you could either use these as little washi strips or labels, and then I think they're 1.5 inch, but when I get my punches out I can tell you. So we've got some more circles. This is a fussy cut sheet or a rip around, and we've done it on this nice background, so if you just want to tear around, you've got this lovely pale green in the background, which is a lot nicer than having bits of white sticking on. Obviously this would be nice printed 2 to a page as well to get some smaller ones. So this is for a big CD case. Again, if you've not got any, you don't have to use them in that way. And then we've got some more lovely circles there. And then these are the cards to go in the CD. Or if you don't have a CD, you could use this and, you know, stick this onto here 3 ways. And we've got some page tabs, another little washi strip, and a nice ruler. And we've got some bigger rulers here, and this can be used as 3 separate kinds of cards. You know, use this as a frame, or you can keep it as one and make it into, you know, a fold out type thing. So this one will want printing on the back. I do need to go through and do that. Got some words here, and then these are the drop down ones, and there's a little hole so you can put an eyelet in them. So there's something a bit different. And we've got some lovely words. We've got nature, calm, wisdom, quiet, balance, inspire, moments, and then we've got some floral words there. Then we've got 2 lovely files and some more labels. Again, they will want printing on the back. And we've got this nice mixed collection of labels where you can do all sorts of embellishments with. Again, this will be a good one to do 2 to a page. I do need to go back through it and see what I want to print out 2 to a page. Another page of ephemera. Love this piece. And then we've got some like notelet bits, or you can use these as like bookmark journal cards. So that is the kit. I hope you like it. Like I say, I'll be along tomorrow. I'm going to do some more printing of different sizes, and I'm going to print the backs of anything that wants doing. And I'll cut some of the pieces out, and we will have a make with it. I'm not making an actual project with it. All I'm going to do is just work with some of the pieces. to have a play with them, really. So thank you for watching. So this month, like the Alice, I've got a team of us together, and Denise is going to kick us off after I've had a couple of days of showing the kit, and Denise's Junk Journals Junkie UK. Then we've got Terry Lee, who is from Sweet Paper Papery, who will be tagged after Denise. And after Terry will be the Rita Jensen. And then after Rita Jensen, I shall do my project. Also, Mandy Chilvers from the group will be doing some photo things with things that she's making with the kit. And yeah, so you can find her on the Facebook group or on Instagram. If you go in my description, all the people who are involved with the collaboration, all their links are on there. So thank you very much, and I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.